How to upgrade plans. Log into your account at my.signingcloud.com. On the home page, navigate to the upgrade plan at the top right. Select any plans that you prefer. You will be directed to your payment summary page. Kindly check the details before proceeding with the Pay Now button. You will be directed to Kippel to make payment. Fill in your credit card details and proceed. Once you completed the transaction, you will be redirected back to your billing info. Now, you will be able to see the updated details of your new subscribed plan. To download the invoice, simply find the cloud icon at Subscription and Billing.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.